back, and this time I thought I would give this just DoIt a padlock rake, or try to anyway. Here's the bitting on the key there. I don't know how well this is going to go with that lower cut pin 2, but there is only one way to find out. I'm using the 40 thousandths Covert Instruments turner and the rake from the Genesis set. And we're just going to go in, light tension feather, give it some jiggles. And there we go, that wasn't too bad. Alright, just a quick one this time. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.